You will end up with additional items which you will need to store at your property, such as cleaning items, essential supplies, and extra linen and all that. It's okay to keep them on the property, but please make sure they are locked. Not everyone, but few people will try and misuse the access you're giving them if it is not locked. I've had a couple who stayed for 2 nights in my 2-bedroom apartment in Edinburgh. They stayed for 2 nights and they used 19 towels just because it was all available to them. Not everyone does it, but some people will try and misuse it. People try and take away your soap and detergent and that kind of stuff. It's better to keep it locked within the property, and you do not really want to move everything away from the property either, because there are times when you will need to let the guest access it. People do need extra cleaning supplies, or they may need extra pillow cover, stuff like that. So it is essential to keep all the essential and extra supplies within the property, but keep it locked. And more importantly, when you lock it, put a combination lock on it. Your cleaner will be accessing that key very frequently, and it just has a habit of going missing very frequently. It makes things very simple when you just have a combination lock, and whoever needs to access that storage area, you can just give them the combination and they can access it and lock it back again without the hassle of tracking down that key, which has a habit of going missing.